Hello my dear students, welcome to this wonderful course or tutorial from the Codegitate tutorials. In this tutorial we are going to be talking about setting up the development environment for PHP. Now there are so many applications that offers development environments for PHP, which we are going to be using the most popular application. This is just an application that you are going to install. It's not going to destroy your system. It's just to set up the environment that you're going to run PHP with. So we're going to go to our Google Chrome or any of your favorite browsers and go there and type XAMPP. XAMPP is one of the most popular just like they say, is the most popular PHP development environment. So that's the one that we are going to be using for this course. And once you enter the website, you're going to see a download button for XAMPP for Windows, XAMPP for Linux, XAMPP for OS X. That's for Mac users. So well, I'm on Windows, so I'm going to download the one for Windows. You just click the button, and then automatically the application will start downloading. So just click OK. It will start downloading immediately. But in case, maybe in your case, the application maybe it doesn't start downloading, so you can just click here. So once you click, it's going to open a new page and start the download automatically again. So after clicking on download, you can wait for the application to download, and once the download is finished, you are just going to click on the application that you just downloaded, and it's going to install XAMPP in your system. And once it is while installing, just make sure you set up everything at default. Don't change any setting. Let everything set up at default. So except you know what you're doing, maybe you have installed this application before and you want to change some settings, that's up to you. But as if this is your first time of using this application, don't change anything. Just agree and to the terms and conditions and click next, and then install the application. It will automatically install. But I have this application already, so I'm not going to continue installing this application. So I'm going to click cancel, and once you cancel that, you come if you are on Mac OS and you open the manage servers application, and this is what's going to pop up for you, and this was what you're going to see. You're going to see the MySQL database stopped, the Pro FTPD stopped, and Aperture web server stopped. So once you click on any one, you're gonna see this button at the right sidebar, and you're gonna just click start. And once you click start, you just need to on your MySQL database and then Aperture web server. Once you click on start, everything is gonna be okay and be running perfectly well. You just need to navigate to your web browser and type localhost. In my case, this is the directory of the HTTP docs of the XAMPP, because I have used it before and I deleted the default web page that was supposed to be open. So in your case, you're gonna see a welcome message. That isn't an error. It's just telling you welcome, and that's just a normal HTML or PHP website that you can just create. That's it. That's just what's gonna pop up. For Windows operating system, you're just gonna open the control panel, control manager. That's here now. That's what I'm here. So you're gonna see something like this. Nothing is gonna start up. You're just gonna click on start Aperture and then start MySQL. So these are the two things that you need to run a PHP server. You understand? So you're gonna just start. Once you start it, you're gonna do the same thing. Navigate to your web browser and click on localhost and type localhost in your URL. So once you type it, you're going to see this page, and okay, sorry, not this page. You're going don't mind me, you're not going to see this page. You're going to see the welcome page, because that's the first time you're installing XAMPP. So once you install it, you're going to see the welcome page. For me, I'm seeing this because I've worked with so many projects and it's in the direct HTTP folder. That's why it's showing me these pages. So wish you good luck. But before you go, just go to youtube.com and then you make sure you subscribe to Codegitate. Just go to YouTube and search for Codegitate tutorials. We are uploading free videos for any course. We will have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, and many more tutorials. So you just go to our page and type Codegitate tutorials. You're gonna see the list of videos there, and make sure you go to one of the playlists and go to PHP for beginners playlist. You're gonna see this video and make sure you subscribe and follow this video. I'm gonna stop this video here because it's getting too long, and I promise not to make long videos in order to make it very interesting and not boring. So in the next video, we're going to be talking about setting up other things like our text editors and many other stuff. So see you in the next video.